All right, and today the question that we're asking you is, what do you make of Minister Pravin Gordhan's testimony at the State Capture Commission of Inquiry?
All right, we'd love to hear what you think. It's been a full day, some of it quite technical, but perhaps giving us hints of what he saw as state capture and connecting the dots. At SA_SABC is where you can send your message. What do you think of Pravin Gordhan's testimony?
All right, and that is our top story for the news at 4. Public Enterprises Minister Pravin Gordhan says state capture has not only taken billions of rands from ordinary South Africans, but also had a huge impact on law-abiding public servants.
Gordhan is appearing before the Commission of Inquiry into State Capture in Parktown.
The kind of events that took place at the Treasury in late 2015, the manner in which the nuclear issue was dealt with, for example, all began to suggest that there was more to it than an individual act of what we today call corruption. That there's a wider set of intentions and scheme, if you like, that underpins it in some way. So I suppose late 2014, but mainly in 2015, these issues become clearer. But the final penny and the connecting of the dots began late 2016, after the kind of harassment that we were subjected to during 2016. I mean, the logical question must be why? I mean, if a principal doesn't want somebody he or she has appointed to a particular position, you dismiss the person or find grounds to dismiss the person. In this instance, you don't need grounds, as you know. You just don't have to like the person or like what they're doing, and that's the end of your career or your holding of that particular position. So when you begin to see a campaign being run, which we describe later, then one has to ask the question, why? And there's some interesting answers that one can actually give to that. So I think spanning that period, 2015 to early 2017, that picture and the haze becomes clearer. And the final penny drops, if you like, once the Gupta emails come into the public domain.
Meanwhile, the